Hey guys, this is Kenny with Fly Time RC, and we're going to try to jump the Blue Thunder. Let's see if it gets off the ground in about 15 feet. Alright, ready?
Yeah. Whee!
No problem. That was pretty cool. That was awesome.
Let me get up here.
That worked pretty dang good. I seen it drop a little bit, and then as soon as I pulled up on the elevator, it just lifted right up.
We should go off right there.
Oh, jump it up?
Yeah, where'd it go?
There we go. That sun really messes you up. It gets right in your eyeballs.
Do you want to do a touch and go? How low can you get to the ground still flying?
I'm a little sketched about doing that because I don't want the prop to hit the ground. I really just rather only land this plane. Not really up for touch and goes like the Cub. Let's see what we can do. A little upside down flying though.
Yeah. Oop.
See if we can do an upside down pass flyby, and we'll do an upside down into an inverted roll.
Oh, I can hear the thing going off. Yeah, it's beeping. Yeah, do you hear it?
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, it's beeping already. It's
Yeah, we're only a couple minutes into the plane. Okay,
it's
so
like been
let's go
2
up here,
minutes.
and we'll land it, and we'll check the voltage. And maybe I set the alarm to go off at the wrong voltage because it shouldn't be low already.
Going for a nice, smoothish landing. Ooh. That was like perfect.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad.
Yeah, it landed right where we needed it.
Oh yeah, I said it at the wrong one. There we go. Yeah, I had it set at the wrong voltage.
Oh, okay, I was gonna say,
I had
is
it
the
set
battery
at
broken?
or at 4, and it was at 3.95. Yeah, we're good. I gotta.
Do you want to jump it off of there now?
Off the front?
Yeah.
Oh man, all right. I don't know if the prop's gonna hit the ground, but we'll see.
Or it might. You never know.
I'm worried that on the way up the hill it might hit the ground.
Oh yeah. Okay, there we go. Might work. We should stand over.
I don't know. It'll probably hit the ground, but I guess
It'll probably jump up and probably swoop back.
All right, are you ready?
Yeah, let me stand off so when it flies.
All right. Hopefully we don't break Blue Thunder here. Ready?
Yep. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh shit.
Oh, it's beeping again. Already? Yeah, hear it beeping again. Yeah, it's weird. It's still beeping.
Yeah.
I don't know what's wrong. Yeah, this is the crater where the prop hit.
All right, let's bring it back down. And
That wasn't going to
I'll
plan.
double check it. I swear I just set this thing for 3.6.
was not planned for it to hit the ground. Look cool though. Coming for a nice-ish landing. Oh, whoops. Too low.
Yeah, it's too far away. I wanted to get a little closer. This time we're going to put
Still filming?
our flapperons down. We got our flapperons down.
Oh, nice!
Yeah.
Nice! That was like perfect.
The smoothest landing ever.